Hey y'all, so today's unit is from Myfirstwig, and this is what she looks like. She is 22 inches, and I do already have her parted and plucked, and the knots are already bleached. I'm just gonna adjust my straps, and we're gonna get started. And I flat ironed the unit off my head. I might have to go back over it, but I, for the most part, flat ironed it while it was off of my head. And we're gonna cut our lace first. Just like that. And we're just gonna spray it directly on that hairline. So this is the finished look, and this is just a, I think it was straight, it might have been a body wave unit, I can't remember. I flat ironed it a couple of days ago, so I don't remember what it actually was, but this is what it looks like. I just did a few, well, not a few, I guess I did my whole baby hair. I did all of my baby hairs, y'all. So I just did a few here and there. So yeah, this is from Myfirstwig, and this is 22 inches of their Brazilian hair. Yeah, you guys, pretty self-explanatory, nothing to really talk about. It's a nice unit. It is 150 density. So yeah, and it's pretty full for 150, and to be a straight unit, it's pretty full. So yeah, this is pretty much the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh, let me let y'all see it. This is what it looks like. Okay. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll talk to y'all in my next one. Bye, y'all.